Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming model compatibility and clearing dust. This matters because tiny debris ruins macro shots. Once done, mount the macro lens gently and lock it in place. Make sure electrical contacts align. Switch your camera to manual focus and enable live view or one preview to see real-time focus. You'll also want a tripod now. Stability is critical. These first steps set the foundation so you can refine focus and lighting without fighting basic setup problems. Once the lens is mounted, compose with intention. Frame the subject and lock the tripod. You should use a focus rail or gentle camera shifts because macro depth of field is extremely thin. Set aperture around f/8 to f/16 to increase depth, but note diffraction trade-offs. Therefore, increase ISO slightly or add controlled lighting. Use focus peaking and magnified live view to confirm critical focus on the subject's plane. Make small distance adjustments rather than hunting focus. This yields repeatable, sharp results. You're ready to capture. Trigger with a remote or 2-second timer to eliminate camera shake and bracket exposures if lighting is uncertain. If you need more depth, take multiple frames at different focus points for focus stacking later. Make sure to review images at 100% on your camera to confirm sharpness. If images are soft, inspect for vibration, incorrect focus mode, too small an aperture, or dirty electrical contacts. One key tip: loosen and reseat the lens mount contacts if focus or exposure behavior looks off.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.